This is Yusuf. As I'm here today, I'm here to really show appreciation and big thanks to Teacher Onga for what he has done in my life, especially. You see, I have met a lot of teachers, but this is the best kind of teacher I can ever meet. It is like being delivered. It is like being awakened from sleep. I have searched for many avenues to make money, and I've really not thought of learning a skill. But Teacher Onga had made it possible for me to reprogram my mind in making money. And I want to assure him that after my class, after this morning literate academic class, I am going to make sure I search for more avenues. I search for more rooms to make money. And in fact, I am going to learn a skill from him, especially, so that I can use that skill to make more money. For now, my mind is set. I have reprogrammed my mind in making money. And I'm going to use that reprogramming to learn a skill. And after learning the skill, I'll attach habits to it and make money. Thank you.
Hello. Good evening. I'm Nicholas Ajay. You can call me Uncle Nick for short. I'm a professional teacher and at the same time, a network marketer. I also love to explore. I always love to gain knowledge. I got in touch with Teacher Prenua Edition 1 class with Teacher Onga. I love him so much because he will push you to learn. And there's a saying that knowledge is power, but not knowledge is power, and the application of knowledge is power. It will help you break barriers. Just apply the knowledge. Being with Teacher Onga for this short while, 2 weeks, I've never regretted, and I will recommend the second edition for you to join as a teacher. If only you want to break chains, if you want to break barriers, if you want to make millionaire, just join Teacher Prenua, and you know that teaching as a profession is one of the lucrative jobs in Ghana. Thank you. Teacher Onga, I salute.
I'm here to also testify about Teacher Onga and his Money Literate Academy. I am so happy that I met Teacher Onga. I started my journey with him June 18, 2021, this very year, when I joined his free class and I paid for his master class, Money Literate Academy. I'm so happy that I joined that class. It made me have a change of mindset. I realized so many things I was doing wrong, and then I paid for the copywriting class, which is also helping me to build high income skills. May God bless Teacher Onga everywhere he is. May he give him more knowledge to be able to continue to teach many people, to be able to give them financial freedom. I joined to his affiliate marketing, where I also get money and small commissions from. Yes, I also want to be like him and be getting alert o'clock every day from Teacher Onga. May God bless you, Teacher Onga. Anyone who is listening to this testimony from me, I will entreat you, whenever you see an online course from Teacher Onga, grab it. Grab that opportunity. Do not joke with it. It will take you far and it will bring you financial freedom. Thank you, everyone.
Welcome. My name is Abdurazak, but you can call me Teacher Onga. Okay, so I'm here to teach you how I made over 20,000 Ghana cedis in 3 months with my smartphone. Yes, just with my smartphone. 1.5 million naira. That's like a 1 year salary for a teacher. I made it in 3 months. Okay, so let's ride on. There was a day I met this Nigerian man called Ebook John. He organized a free class on how to make money using your WhatsApp income mastery course. It was a free class. He did it for 2 days. And after he finished teaching, I applied all what he taught, and then I started seeing results. Then from that, he organized a paid class, a premium class, and we those who enjoyed the free class, we did what? We paid to join the premium class to learn more. So after the premium class, I started making money in my head. Then I started to model him. Yes, I started to model him. I did my first class on WhatsApp Income Mastery course, which was a free class. You know, everybody like free. So lots of people joined to learn for free. Everybody like free. So I had lots of people. From that class, I did another one on how to make money in a digital economy. That one too was a free class, and then I had a lot of people. From there, I did a premium class which I charged 50 Ghana cedis. We can see it here, 50 Ghana cedis, and I had 20 people who paid me 50 Ghana cedis each, which had made 1,000 Ghana cedis. That's like 66,000 naira. 66,000 naira in June. That was 13th to 19th June. I made 1,000 Ghana cedis within some few days. Then from there, I did a paid class on graphic designing, which I charged 35 Ghana cedis for non-Jama Life members, and then 7 cedis for Jama Life members. So we are still in June, which I had 40 people who paid me 35 Ghana cedis, which had made 1,400 Ghana cedis. That's like 92,000 naira. 92,000 naira. Then from there, I needed to reach out to a lot of people. You know, the first class I did, which was dealing with a laptop and a desktop, only few people can afford laptop or a desktop. But with the smartphone, everybody has a smartphone. So I did a class on graphic design using the smartphone, which I charged 15 Ghana cedis. We can see it here. And I had 135 people who paid me 15 Ghana cedis each. That was massive. I made 2,025 Ghana cedis just in 10 days. These guys are people who I graduated from that class. That was in July. Then from that class, I did another class on WhatsApp Income Mastery course, how to make money using WhatsApp. That was in July, to get more people. Then from there, I did another class on website designing, website design without coding, which people paid me 35 Ghana cedis. 35 Ghana cedis. I had 80 people who paid me 35 Ghana cedis each. 80 people who paid me 35 Ghana cedis each, which had made 2,800 Ghana cedis. That's like 2,000 naira. 2,000 naira. I did a class on how to customize images. How to customize images, which I charged 20 Ghana cedis. 20 Ghana cedis. And then I had 60 people who paid me 20 Ghana cedis, which I made 1,200 Ghana cedis in that class. That's like 80,431 naira. 80,431 naira. Then from there, I did my second class on graphic designing. We are still in August. That's August. Second to 12th August, which I did a class on graphic designing. Then I charged 20 Ghana cedis for this class, which I made 61 people paid for this class, which had made 1,220 Ghana cedis. That's like 81,000 naira. 81,000 naira. I told you 61 people paid for this class. So these are people who are graduated from that class. We are still in August, 13th August. I graduated these students. Most of the students I trained, they also started making money. They also started organizing classes and making money. So I had few students who featured me in their classes. They organized the class, and then I will do the teaching. So in this class, we made 1,250 Ghana cedis. That's, we charged 25 Ghana cedis, and then we had 50 people who paid 25 Ghana cedis, and we had 1,250 Ghana cedis. That's like 81,000 naira. 81,000 naira. I made lot of cash from my students who featured me in my classes. I can't mention all. Then I did a copywriting class which I charged 75 Ghana cedis. That's in September, 75 Ghana cedis. And then in this class I had 60 people who paid me 75 Ghana cedis, which I had made 4,500 Ghana cedis within 2 weeks. Yes. So when we talk of copywriting is all about how to persuade people buy into whatever you are selling, or how to influence people buy into whatever you are selling. These are some of the people who attended the copywriting masterclass. I did a matriculation for these people. So these are people who attended the classes. Then I did my third class on graphic designing, which I charged 25 Ghana cedis, and then I had 80 people who paid me 25 Ghana cedis, which I had made 2,000 Ghana cedis. 2,000 Ghana cedis. That's like 152,000 naira. 152,000 naira. From there, I organized the class on $5 challenge. $5 challenge, which I charged 120 per student. 120 per student, which I had 35 students who paid for this class, which I made 4,200 Ghana cedis in few days. Yes, that's like 280,000 naira. 280,000 naira. This is how I made 20,000 Ghana cedis in three months. July, August, September. July, August, September. I have ebooks where I make money. I have this is my first ebook, Money Literate. I can't mention the number of people this book brought to me. I sell it and people buy it each and every day. People buy it each and every day. And I have my second ebook, How to Create an Ebook in 24 Hours and Make Millions Selling It. All these are my ebooks. I also have an ebook, My Journey as an Online Earner. I sell these books and I make money. WhatsApp money funnel. How to use money. How to use your WhatsApp to make a lot of cash. So from 2021 till date, so many people are benefiting from my online classes and online trainings I do. Lots of people are making so much money for themselves. This is a testimony from one of my past students called Ilolo. He sent me a WhatsApp message. Hi sir, good evening. Thank you very much. Meeting you was one of the best things that has happened to me. With the knowledge and skills I've acquired from you this year, I was able to make thousands of cedis online. I was able to make over 3,000 Ghana cedis plus in this December alone. God richly bless you, Prof. Onga. So this past student has made over 3,000 Ghana cedis just in December, just in 1 month, for joining one of my classes. We have another testimony from Abdurazak. He also sent me a WhatsApp message and it reads, but sincerely speaking, I've made over 2,000 Ghana cedis out of my first ebook in Arabic from January 10th, 2023 to 31st January 2023. He again said that he has never met me before, but he has benefited a lot from me. We have another testimony from Mr. Sabo. He sent a message to me on WhatsApp. Yay! I've made over 30,000 Ghana cedis from May 2022 to date from my online classes. Thanks, Prof, for teaching me how to make money myself. Creating WhatsApp links to attract potential customers did the tricks for me. you did it. I receive Momo alerts on daily basis. People gravitate to pay to join my online class. I used your copywriting skills to sell my products and services. Yes, we have a testimony from Mr. Sabu. He said he has made over 30,000 Ghana cedis from May 2022. This year, I have so many courses you can learn from me and start your own journey. Start making money online. Start making money daily. If you spend money daily, it is equally important for you to make money daily. So some of the courses we have are copywriting. Copywriting will teach you everything you need to know about how to make money online, how to sell your products and services, how to write irresistible offers, how to write short copies, long copies to sell your product and services. 2, we have the $5 challenge course. This course will challenge you on how to make $5 every single day. As I told you earlier on, if you spend money daily, it is equally important for you to make money daily. So in this $5 challenge course, you are going to challenge yourself. I'm going to teach you. You are going to challenge yourself to make $5 every single day. 3, we have ebook mastery course. In this class, I'm going to teach you how to write an ebook, how to publish it on Amazon KDP, and then earn in dollars. You know, Amazon KDP is an international website where they pay in dollars. So I'll teach you how to create a foreign account, link it to your bank account. Anybody who buys your ebook on Amazon KDP, you'll be credited into your foreign account. We have graphic designing. I'll teach you how to create or how to design nice, beautiful flyers, how to design posters, how to design logos, business cards, everything. You are going to learn everything about graphic designing. We have Teacherpreneur. The idea of Teacherpreneur came when the President of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, made mention that if teachers want to be rich, they should find something doing. So this course is designed to help teachers and any other persons who want to teach online. You know something that other people don't know. So I'm going to teach you how you can position yourself online, teach other people what you know, and then they will pay for your service. We have money literate itself. In this course, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about money, how to make money, how to multiply your money, how to invest your money, how to save your money. I always tell people that if you don't know money, you should never complain of no money. Money is a subject like any other subject that you must study, you must learn if you want to attract it to yourself. We have daily bank alert. From 2021 till date, as at recording this video 2023, I have made money every single day. I've made money every single day. So in this course, I'm going to teach you my strategies, I'm going to teach you my tips, I'm going to teach you how to create digital products and how to make money from these digital products every single day for life. If you are interested in any of the skill, any of the courses I've mentioned, you can contact the Money Literate Academy team to enroll now. If you contact us now to register, you are going to get a discount.